Hey everyone, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the gold lips, luscious lip, I call it. Yeah, the picture before. Okay, so what I used was a Wet n Wild lipstick. Number is 504 547B. 547B. Yeah. See? Yep. And if you guys just go look for the number, you guys will find this color. And what I'm gonna use for my gold is actually LA Colors Shimmery Loose. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's a eyeshadow, but it works perfectly. Yeah. Okay. By the way, when you're taking it off, use like those cleansing wipe or water to wipe it. Not like me though, because I don't know, just too lazy to do. So I just quickly wipe it off with tissue. But yeah, okay, so first I'm gonna open the shadow. Whatever. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm talking to myself. Okay, so yeah, so you take the lipstick and you put it on, right? Okay. 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 So after you're done, you take a brush, eyeshadow brush if you want, or a lip brush, and then you just dab it on your lip. Yeah. You just kind of dab it in, right? Um, and what I say is, this kind of lipstick will go great, like, and clubbing area time, but yeah. Um, and even for Halloween or some kind of goddess, because since it's gold, you know, in like the Greek and stuff, they mostly wear gold. It'll go great. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And thank you for watching, and yeah, stay tuned.